Tomorrow, they gave up there today. Let me now take you to Samba, along the international border and also along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. There are hundreds and hundreds of our braves who are guarding our borders even today. Manjeet Singh Negi with this report.
As Pakistani snipers take aim, as their guns boom and their mortars inflict damage at the border, as the enemy uses every ploy to ambush and sneak in. India's heroes are standing guard at the border, pushing back the enemy at the gates. As the nation celebrates the Festival of Lights, these soldiers are on duty 24/7, securing our borders. India Today's Manjeet Negi reached Jammu's sensitive Samba sector that was under heavy Pakistani fire. We joined the BSF night patrol as Jawans marched for 2 to 3 hours to reach the forward post at the international border. Suddenly some activity is detected. Some scratching sounds break the stillness of the night. The company commander alerts his troops.
इस वक्त हम कैमरे की लाइट इसलिए जला पा रहे हैं क्योंकि फेंसिंग की दूसरी तरफ जो झाड़ियां हैं वो उसकी एक आड़ है और पाकिस्तानी सेना इस आड़ में नहीं देख पाती है। फेंसिंग की दूसरी तरफ भारतीय सेना इलाके को साफ रखती है, लेकिन पाकिस्तानी सेना इन्हीं झाड़ियों और सरकंडे, खासतौर से जो झाड़ियां हैं उसकी आड़ में घुसपैठ की कोशिश करती है।
हम सर दुश्मन के इलाकों में नजर रखते हैं। कोई दुश्मन का मूवमेंट दिखाई देने पर अपना कमांड को बता देते हैं। दुश्मन फायर करेगा तो हम फायर का जवाब फायर से दे देते हैं सर।
As Pakistan plots to push in terrorists and as intelligence agencies smell a sinister conspiracy to launch a big terror spectacle during Diwali, which includes planting IED devices to target army camps, the international border is red hot and Indian troops are battle ready. Diwali is a promise to the country and their fellow Jawans martyred in enemy's treacherous strikes.
हमारे 3 जवान जो शहीद हो गए हैं और हम अपने बॉर्डर पे अपनी दिवाली सही ढंग से ही मनाएंगे।
Armed with assault rifles, brave smiles and a vow to protect the countrymen on their lips, this Diwali is about the victory of good over evil for these Jawans at the borders. Even as they light candles, they are ready to pound the enemy post.
देश के लोग दिवाली की खुशियां पूरे उल्लास के साथ मना पाएं, इसके लिए सरहद पर जवान 24 घंटे दिन रात तैनात है। दिवाली के मौके पर पाकिस्तान की तरफ से की जा रही फायरिंग में बीएसएफ के इन जवानों ने अपने 3 साथियों को खोया है, लेकिन इनके जोश और जज्बे में कोई कमी नहीं है।
सबसे बड़ी बात यहाँ पे ये है कि हम जवानों एक साथ मिलकर, यही हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ी दिवाली है कि हम आपस में मिलकर मनाते हैं और उनकी रक्षा करते हैं।
हमारे लिए हमारे देश की सीमा की सुरक्षा करना और देशवासियों की सुरक्षा करना ही हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ी दिवाली बनाना है।
सबको बना चुका है रात की वक्त।
As these brave hearts remain on duty, the Prime Minister's Sandesh to Soldiers initiative has brought festive cheer, fueled their pride and presented them with an instant connect with the countrymen they protect.
इस दीपावली में हम सभी देशवासी हमारी रक्षा के लिए, हमारी सुख चैन की जिंदगी के लिए अपना जीवन खपा देने वाले सुरक्षा बलों को दीपावली की शुभकामनाएं भेजें।
There is no room for the smallest error. Every finger is on the trigger. Every eye alert to the slightest movement. In every heart, a secret promise to not let the martyrs' ultimate sacrifice go in vain.
वो उसकी हिफाजत करेगी।
These lights are a soldier's pledge to brutally batter the enemy and thwart their evil designs. Pakistan terror can try its best, but it won't be allowed to dampen India's Diwali. With Manjeet Negi in Samba, Bureau Report, India Today.
there are a billion prayers for our braves in Samba and also in Kupwara. Let me now take you north of Pir Panjal. Let me take you to North Kashmir in Kupwara, where our braves are guarding us, not just at the line of control, but also in the depth areas. There is clear and present danger from Pakistan, their terrorists, and also the enemy within. India Today's Ashraf Wani with this report.
Pakistan is looking for a chink in India's armour to seek revenge for the cross-border raids that destroyed terror camps in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir late in September. Our valiant soldiers are ready to defend the nation till their last breath. Even as the army remembers its valiant soldier, Rifleman Sandeep Singh Rawat, martyred while successfully foiling an infiltration bid in Kupwara's Tanghar sector on the 27th of October. When India Today's team reached Kupwara, that's one of the crucial hot zones at the moment on the Indo-Pak line of control, we found our men in uniform in full alert mode. The guns boomed to warn the enemy against even turning an evil eye towards India. Armed with rocket launchers and night vision equipment, the soldiers scourge every nook and cranny of the dense jungles for any sign of enemy activity.
We are seeing now the army has enhanced this security. These kinds of vehicles are being used by the army so that they can rush to any area with an immediate action. And these vehicles, which are known as Caspers, have been increased in the army deployment here in the valley so that the soldiers inside these vehicles are safe, because they are not only the bulletproof but even are also the landmine proof.
We have enhanced our security, we have enhanced our ambush and patrolling. There are some tactics which we cannot reveal on the camera, but we are prepared for any type of action, and we will give the befitting reply to the militants.
It's a Diwali away from home, if you can call it that, but it is a celebration in every soldier's heart here for keeping their promise to their motherland. Diwali unites our soldiers at the border as every Hindu, Muslim, Parsi and Sikh and Christian joins in the festivities at the Sarva Dharm Sabha. Every head is bowed in unison, every soul filled with festive fervour, and every soldier's heart overflows with love for the country. Diwali, Eid, Christmas or Republic Day, there are no holidays for the soldier at the border. Keeping the country safe is not a temporary job, it's a word the Jawans keep with their sweat and blood. It's a promise they keep no matter what the obstacle, and even if the nation forgets, which it does.
We maintain this basic celebration, but after that our daily routine is more important than Diwali celebration, and we are here to protect the boundaries of the nation, and we are dedicated to our cause. Diwali is on our mind, we celebrate it more in the heart than on the ground.
When whole country is preparing for the Deepavali and the celebrations of Deepavali here on the line of control, these brave soldiers of Indian Army are preparing for the ambush operations on the line of control. They have just left from their location for 48 hours of mission. Our Deepavali will be safe and sound when these brave hearts are guarding our borders.
Watch out, Pakistan. India's daredevils are fully geared up to inflict maximum damage in response to the slightest dare. With Ashraf Wani at the line of control, Bureau Report, India Today.
With a hostile neighbor like Pakistan, clearly a state sponsor of terror, one can't take chances, whether it's Jammu and Kashmir or Punjab. You remember Pakistani terrorists struck at Gurdaspur. Let me now take you to the Wagah-Atari border. We've celebrated the beating retreat ceremony there, but at this point of time, there is an alert. Terrorists, suicide squads could try and sneak in and dampen our Diwali. But our braves from the Border Security Force are guarding us. Satinder Chauhan with this report.
It's a Diwali party amidst sounds of guns at the border. As these soldiers sing and dance, they know death is just a gunshot away. But danger does not instill fear in their hearts. Even the death of their comrades who fell into the enemy's treachery doesn't deter their steps. Here, festivals come drenched in colors and the blood of their soldiers' friends.
और भारत की आन, शान और बान ये बीएसएफ के जवान जो 24 घंटों देश की सेवा में देश की सेवा में लगे रहते हैं, दिन रात जगे रहते हैं ताकि देश के ऊपर किसी तरह की कोई आंच कभी न आए।
हमने यहाँ पे कोशिश की है दीपकों से इंडिया के लिए जो हमारे पास में जज्बा है, हमारा जो प्यार है उसे प्रदर्शित करने का। इसे हम अपनी शहादत और जान के साथ में न इन दीपकों की लोगों और न ही हमारे देशवासियों के मुस्कान को कभी कम नहीं होने देंगे।
On this Diwali, as India celebrates with sweets and fireworks, India Today celebrates the festival of lights with our daredevils on duty for those who are away from their families, only so that you are safe. They don't have the luxury of going home or even shopping. This is a Diwali for daredevils when we remember our heroes and vow never to forget those we lost. With Satyendra Chauhan at the Atari border, Bureau Report, India Today.
In India, men and women stand shoulder to shoulder protecting our borders. Let me now take you to the Rajasthan border. Women officers and personnel of the Border Security Force guarding our borders. This is a country of Rani Lakshmibai and Kittur ki Rani Chinnamma. These brave warriors, these brave women warriors are guarding our borders. They're not with their families on Diwali. They're protecting our country this Diwali.
Young women at the Churanwala post near the Jaisalmer international border defending the nation as the Pakistan warmongering machine escalates. As they spend the festival of lights away from home, these brave women display no frown, no fear, vow to defend the border and wish all countrymen and women a happy Diwali without the slightest complaint of missing their families or the festive cheer. They spend nights patrolling the border and their days keeping their eyes peeled for any suspicious movement. The only sound that's heard in the desert is their boots or bullets from across the border.
घर की याद आती है, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि हम यहाँ बॉर्डर पे जो है सुरक्षा करें और हमारे समस्त देशवासी आराम से जो है दिवाली का जश्न मना सके।
हम यहाँ पर दिन रात सीमा पर तैनात हैं ताकि हमारे देशवासियों को कोई भी किसी भी प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम ना हो, त्योहार के टाइम पे अच्छे से त्योहार मना सकें। हमारी तरफ से समस्त देशवासियों को हैप्पी दिवाली।
Diwali means dance, laughter and lights for these soldiers, but their diyas light up the country's borders. For these brave hearts, the border is their home, their fellow soldiers are their family, and every victory a festival. These celebrations at the border overcome darkness and evil.
आतिशबाजी करने के बाद आधी रात को यहाँ पर जश्न मन रहा है। जो बीएसएफ के जवान हैं यहाँ पर जो ड्यूटी से आए हैं यहाँ पर दिवाली मना रहे हैं। आधी रात को जो बाकी जवान हैं वो अपना वहाँ ड्यूटी पर तैनात हैं। जिनकी ड्यूटी खत्म हुई है वो यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं किस तरह से डीजे पर अपना डांस कर रहे हैं, सब मजे ले रहे हैं।
सभी देशवासियों को मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हमारी तरफ से कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है। आपको सभी को हैप्पी दिवाली।
As fireworks go off, the Jawans are dancing, but their eyes are alert to enemy fire. With Sharat Kumar on the Jaisalmer international border, Bureau Report, India Today.
And even as one batch of security personnel protect us at the line of control, at the international border, in the hinterland, in the depth areas, in urban centers, in towns and villages, there is another batch of soldiers who are being prepared to take over. The rotation is high. You also need rest and recuperation. My colleague Jitendra spent some time with the next batch of CRPF personnel who are being prepared to be deployed in Jammu and Kashmir. They face the stone pelters, they respond to the atrocities and the attacks. But this Diwali, they're hoping there will be a better dawn in Jammu and Kashmir and that peace will return.
An eye for eye, blood for blood. It is a promise of revenge that burns bright in the heart of every Indian soldier.
शहीदों का बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा, हम उसका बदला अवश्य लेंगे।
When the India Today team reached Shivpuri in Madhya Pradesh, we found the same emotion reigning at the CRPF commando camp. Diwali festivities here are a tribute to the martyrs who have lost their lives. Those who promised their wives and mothers that they would be back home soon, but chose their nation over their families, making the supreme sacrifice. At this camp, the mood is somber.
जवान जिस तरीके से अपने हाथों में दिए लेकर के जो जवान शहीद हुए हैं, जिन्होंने देश की रक्षा करते हुए अपनी जान न्यौछावर की है, उनके लिए यहाँ पर नमन कर रहे हैं।
शहीदों का बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा और उसका बदला जरूर लिया जाएगा।
शहीदों के बलिदान को लेकर आज हम सभी गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं और ये बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा।
As firecrackers and smiles light up these faces, there is eagerness in their eyes to join their comrades at the borders and give the enemy's treachery a response fit and fiery. This CRPF Commando Wing training is in the final phase and they will be headed to the Kashmir Valley to provide succor to the Jawans facing the relentless fire by Pakistani Rangers. With Jitendra Singh in Shivpuri, Bureau Report, India Today.
How can man die better than facing fearful odds for the ashes of his fathers and the temples of his gods? They gave up their today for our tomorrow. A grateful nation can only say thank you and India first.